Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Well, today we've got a barn find for you in a very special car. I'm with Dean Lanos. We've got a factory show car that hasn't been seen for quite some time. Dean, what year, make, and model is this one?
This is a 1964 Pontiac Bonneville Grand Marque 4.
The Grand Marque 4. Come check out our factory prototype car. We'll start in the back. So from here, I want to show you the back of this car, and this car is going to be for sale. So if someone wants to get it back to its original beauty, we can do that. While I'm back here, I'll show you just a couple of things. So I have this article on the car that you can see. And I'll pause that at page 1. I don't have the second page. You can also see there's no question it's this car. And I also have the build sheet for this car. And you can see at the bottom it's a special paint. Also you can see special order right here. Number 1, as we pop the trunk, you can see that this car was at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. In the Barn Finds Hidden Gem, there's the factory show car. Now, Dean, you can see it's not that bad condition. Now, what's the story here? How did your brother acquire this car?
Well, he was graduating high school and he went with my father to Peter Epstein Pontiac in Chicago at the time.
Okay.
Looking for a used car. This was on the floor just for show.
Yeah.
And somehow my father managed to convince them that they need to sell it. And they bought it.
He convinced them to sell the show car. Let's come back and take a look. Now, it's not perfect. We're not suggesting that it is, but we'll give you everything that this one is like. The top right now does not come down. As we get closer, well, you can see it has new tires. I've actually just had the hood up. You can see that the hood closes down. You saw the arrowhead in the back. And this one, well, we'll pop this hood now. Pop the hood. Pull that up. There we go. Little extra 12-volt horn there. But I want to show you something special about this. If you notice the word special right there in the trim. So the other thing you can tell with this car is notice the windshield doesn't have any tinting. And they did that in particular just so that this car would be a show car. So I'm gonna actually take you around here. So as we open her up, well, this is a special interior. If you take a look at that, leopard skin and the shag carpet, power seats for this show car that you have there. Also power side windows, power windows all the way around. The light works. The leopard seating in the back is perfect. And the leopard seating in the front needs to be redone, but you can see the nice steering wheel as well. We'll sit in this one. The top, like I said, does not come down. Now, the story with Michael, your brother, is he fell sick somewhat after he got this car and then just wasn't able to drive it. Is that correct?
That is correct.
So the car just kind of sat.
Yeah, it literally sat there from 1977 till now. It has not been driven.
Got it. And we're going to start it for you just to show you that it works. that gas pedal just a little bit. Well, listen to the exhaust. Nice. Take the show car out for a ride. You and I are in the prototype factory show car. How's it feel driving it?
It feels big and feels powerful.
I know that you were tight with your brother, and I know this is somewhat painful to be driving the car for you, but I just wanted to show people, you know, what it looks like and that it actually moves. Pretty good. So we're really kind of hoping for the right caretakers to bring it back to factory showroom. That's your goal, correct?
It is.
So we're gonna, if you have an interest in the car, send me your offer. You can put it in the comments and then put your email address and we'll field them accordingly. But yeah, let's go back that way. Dean, I know you're driving this thing like because it's a boat. Dean, thanks so much for connecting with me. Thanks for sharing this rare treat, this barn find. We'll see if we can find the right owner. Thanks so much for being on my car story.
It's been my pleasure.
Thank you so much.